An awesome morning, kids. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Kids, in the previous classes we have learned how to trace and write numeral 1 and 4 on dots. And now today we will do revision of numeral 1 and 4. But before that, let's learn how to make numeral 1 and 4 with the help of lines and patterns. So let's start. In this way, you have to put the dots in the block for numeral 1, okay, and put your crayon here on dot and draw one standing line like this and join the dots carefully, okay. So this is numeral 1. This is numeral 1. And for numeral 4, you have to put the dots in block like this. So put your crayon here on dot, and now from here we will draw one slanting line and join the dots like this. Slanting line, okay. And now from here we will draw one sleeping line and join the dots like this. And now we will draw a small standing line like this. So this is numeral 4. Okay kids? Okay kids? So take out your practice notebook, and parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top and put the dots same like this, okay. So kids, as you can see, I have pasted some pictures on board. So what is this? This is one bag. This is one apple. What is this? This is one apple. What is this? This is one kite. And what is this? This is one car. Okay? Now here I have pasted some beautiful butterflies. So let's count how many butterflies are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 butterflies. And what are these? These are colorful balloons. So how many balloons are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balloons. Okay kids, now sharp your crayon and write numeral 1. Okay, so put your crayon here and draw one standing line from top to bottom. Very slowly we will join the dots like this. What is this? This is numeral 1. Do it again. Put your crayon here and draw one standing line very slowly and join the dots like this. So what is this? This is numeral 1. Okay? Do it again. Put your crayon here and draw one standing line like this from top to bottom. So what is this? This is 1, numeral 1. Okay. Now let's draw one last time. Put your crayon here and draw one standing line from top to bottom very slowly like this. So kids, tell me, what is this? This is numeral 1. Now we will write numeral 4. So put your crayon here and draw slanting line. And now we will draw sleeping line very slowly like this, and then one small standing line like this. So what is this? This is numeral 4. Kids, do it carefully, okay? Put your crayon here. And now we will join the dots with slanting line like this. And then we will join the dots with sleeping line like this. And now draw one standing line. So what is this? This is numeral 4. Do it again. Put your crayon here and we will join the dots with slanting line. Draw slanting line very slowly, kids, like this. And now we will draw sleeping line and then one small standing line like this. This is numeral 4. Now let's write one last time. Put your crayon here and draw slanting line, then sleeping line, and then small standing line. So tell me, kids, which numeral is this? This is numeral 4. So kids, you have to do this revision work in your practice notebook, same like this. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.